It better make you attack politician. It better make you attack lawyer. It better make you attack all those people than make you attack some judges. So you dey craze, I dey craze. Seun Kuti get craze, Baba Fela gets craze. But the reality is that we have to be sensible sometimes in the way we want to attack some things. I appreciate the fact that you're trying to do what is best for Nigerians, but don't let praises when Nigerians they praise you. Don't let it get into your brain. Before I start today's program, I make a decision that I will talk about Seun Kuti and VeryDarkMan. And I want to plead with Seun Kuti. Seun Kuti, I beg you in the name of God, you got to speak with VeryDarkMan. VeryDarkMan came on live the other day. He get word when they talk. He said that now him, VeryDarkMan, now be the general overseer, now be the king of internet right now, of social media. And that's one where you they talk, VeryDarkMan. That's not true. The chairman of internet with intelligence, both diplomacy, both logical, both street smart, everything, na still Seun Kuti. And where they go with this matter is that I love VeryDarkMan as a brother. And I am sending this message to Seun Kuti. Hopefully he gets it. And I am also sharing this message to VeryDarkMan. Hopefully he gets the message. You see, Seun Kuti go understand this proverb very well, but VeryDarkMan will not understand them. And the proverb is this: Yoruba would always say a word. They would say, "Taja ban sinwi, oye ko moju olowo e." That means say if dog dey craze, you need to know the person will be in owner. When you are going, Seun Kuti talk something about political, that you cannot go into the social media space. You have to choose a side, and the moment you choose a side, then you become political. And VeryDarkMan responded that he doesn't want to be political. Where am I going with this particular statement? VeryDarkMan came today, that was Saturday, July 26, and he spoke about the court system and the judges. Yes, as you go, whether na jail you go or be in a prison, or they put you for any custody, the same way myself I don't go jail. The same way Seun Kuti don't go jail. Now, when Seun Kuti they talk for most of his video, after the fact where Seun Kuti go kirikiri, I went to, what did they call her? Ikoyi Correctional Center. Everything a lie. Now only our Oga, which na Seun Kuti na be the baba for everybody. Seun Kuti na be the person where we know say, according to what our eyes see, this man he give person wola because of say the person self trespass. So you understand? Nobody can blame. Yes, people might want to blame him, but I think it's the heat of the moment. So Baba show himself, say he be the true son of Fela. But after the case, and I think that Seun Kuti is still under, they are still handling the case, or they are still working on the case with the police people. And Seun Kuti make a decision not to talk about this situation right now. There are things that Seun Kuti has experienced in jail that he could have talked about those things, but he decided to pen them. Even while he was addressing some issues the other time, I was watching one of his episodes, I can't remember. He said that there are things we won't talk, but when the time they reach, now he go talk the matter. You cannot. I as a person too, I am experiencing the same thing. There are many things where I see for jail. There are many things that I see through court system and the rest of it, where I know fit talk right now because we are still going through the process. And everything you say at the moment can be used against you. When you can't they call out George, VDM, VeryDarkMan, you can't they call out George. I think that at this junction, I love you as a brother. I want everybody, all Nigerians, may they subscribe because you have a good heart and you want to do the best for Nigerians. But you need to put it in your mind that you have to be safe as an individual. You have to save yourself. If they put you for prison, nothing any Nigerians will do. Say this country where they fear, I been at the ones where they happy say, they don't harass VeryDarkMan, social media go they silent. The same people will not get guts to do anything. You think that these people go rise for you? You are saving a lot of people. If you have that intention to save a lot of people, you have to be alive. You have to be within the society to change the society. You can't change the society through prison. When Baba Fela was in prison, released album. When he come outside, now he released album. When you are talking about judges, now different ball game now they play. You feel even, I will tell you, it better make you attack politician. It better make you attack lawyer. It better make you attack all those people than make you attack some judges. Because judge go follow anything where judge talk. They go hold you. You did federal high court. Me say if I did federal high court with some real estate like this. So you know, say the good thing about federal high court, you know, be like magistrate where they go say come in 2 weeks or come in 1 month. Federal high court be say they say 4 months from now. So I want you to trend carefully. And I know say the only person if he tell you where you go probably hear, now be Seun Kuti. So I'm begging you, very dark man, on behalf of the people you have good intentions to protect as Nigeria, and you have a lot of good in your heart to follow up and do a lot of things. You have been saving a lot of people. But if you decide to risk yourself by going after judges, this is not the right time. There is time and season for everything. Come out of the case. Resolve any case where you get with either Iyabo Ojo, whether na Polo, Abi Polo Costa, Abi Obi Kubana, Abi Chief Priest, Abi na Juju, anything you have, make sure you get yourself away from that system. And you need to be diplomatic in the way you pass your message. Not be say you go just go now, you want to come the attack back, because at the end of the day, there are some times, this railway they fall like they pay me. There are times you will be in this life, you would still experience it. You cannot be an activist in the loud way at which you propel yourself, and you're not going to have one issues or the other that you will go to the court system. But what I'm saying is this: you are a treasure currently, and I believe you're a treasure for Nigerian youth or Nigerian society. But the reality is that when you're going against certain power, understand, or you're fighting certain corruption, understand that corruption will fight you back. So you decrease, I decrease, Seun Kuti get Chris, Baba Fela gets Chris. But the reality is that we have to be sensible sometimes in the way we want to attack some things. I know you might think that nothing would happen. I pray nothing happen. I hope nothing happen. I know pray say you go there and make them remind you. It get matter what happen with the people where they go, do estates. They call witness no even show. They come they do amendments. You know say I see for court say 2 people where they amend their case, judge say make they remand them. They don't bail them already, but judge say make they remand them because they don't amend the case. Make they write another bail application. So my brother, you need to go beyond. Don't let the social media praises or whatever anybody is saying, don't let it to get to you. I appreciate the fact that you're not freaked by money. Don't also get freaked by people praising you. Very dark man. Don't get freaked by people praising you. I appreciate that you are not freaked by money. I appreciate the fact that you're trying to do what is best for Nigerians, but don't let praises when Nigerians they praise you. Don't let it get into your brain. Don't let your presence or your fame in social media, don't let it get into your brain, because if you allow it to go inside you, there is danger. And you might think that, oh, if I go to jail, I'm going to get people who will support me. The people who want to support you, they would only support you once they understand that at least you're being diplomatic or you're being logical in certain ways you do your thing. Going after judges, you're going too far. Even if, I'm not saying you don't go after judges, because judges are not beyond human being. But I'm thinking that the time at which you're going after them is a wrong time. And I know some Nigerians who say, hey, let me keep my mouth shut. Do your life. Make me say, may I follow my life. They do some things. The reality is I don't have the presence of very dark man. He is in this time, and in time go come. And in time now, and the time go pass. Maybe my time go reach. But if we are caring about certain people who decide to fight for us, we need to find a way to also give them good advice that will preserve them well. So that's my own. I speak my own truth, pansa, like Baba Fela will talk. But the reality is one has to be diplomatic, one has to be logical, even if you want to use Chris. Chris now fits Nigeria. But at the same time, you still need to be logical. You need to be aware and conscious of certain things and understand that there are time and season that you are not supposed to, you need to step back. Read 33 Strategies of War, read 48 Laws of Power. Maybe that could help you out, very dark man. But Oga Seun Kuti, talk to your boy. He will listen. Have a blessed day. If you never subscribe to my channel, like and share. See you in the next one. Adios, amigos.